So that is the kind of skill that you want, because then you're not just working in ego. Also, you're calling on that power of grace we were talking about. That's your higher power, your spiritual power, and you know that that power is unlimited, right? I mean, that's what we hear about every Sunday or every every week in church in the sermons. It's like God is unlimited. So, hey, let's try our best to tune into that power. And then you get into that groove where you're just like, it feels good. So anyway, try that as a warm-up exercise. You can even do a little prayer before you. And I think that's a totally, it's like before I'm playing in church, I tune my guitar. I want to tune this instrument also. And mostly that's not just, doing the physical warm-ups, but also tuning into that higher pitch pipe, if you want, of the spirit. Yeah. Okay, so try that as you're doing that warm-up. Think of it as like a prayer. Actually, you can do that if you have a simple hymn that's just like a repetitive. People sometimes use the Jesus prayer or whatever. Anything. It can be just a one word: God, 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 or love, love, love. If you Alleluia, Alleluia is a wonderful. It's just very simple syllables. Alleluia, Alleluia, Alleluia. Try that as your prayerful warm up.
Mm-hmm. Good, yeah.
See if you can get that, and as you do it, don't think, let's see who can sing the highest, but let's sing who can sing the most gracefully. When I hit that high note, I want to do it so that it's like honey in the ears of God.
Right.
Give that a try. So as you're singing this, you try it with the Alleluia, and see if you can use those syllables to just like trying to reach out to God's hand like that with your attention and with your voice.